Hey, this is Simplis from S Marketing. We are going to teach you how to design website with WordPress. We'll bring you really useful tutorials that will help you all the way from start to finish. So if you follow our tutorials, you will learn as we progress. And at the end, you'll be able to develop themes, plugins, and will be capable of designing websites and blogs as a professional. What is WordPress? WordPress is a free and open source CMS, content management system based on PHP and MySQL database. It is reportedly the most popular website management or blogging system in use on the web. Supporting more than 60 million websites, it is super flexible and can be extended by using plugins. So WordPress is free, it's easy to set up, and it's easy to maintain and easy to update. You will get beautiful designs, powerful features, and the freedom to build anything you want. WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. WordPress.org, often called self-hosted WordPress, is the free open source WordPress software that you can install on your own web host to create a website or a blog that is 100% your own. WordPress is a software designed for everyone, emphasizing accessibility, performance, security, and easy to use. We believe great software should work with a minimum setup, so you can focus on sharing your story, product, services freely without writing complicated code. So the basic of WordPress software is simple and predictable, so you can easily get started. It also offers powerful features for growth and success. So what is WordPress used for? So WordPress is a system that lets you create pages or posts without having to learn all that complicated HTML or PHP, JavaScript codes. So if you want to receive notification from us, please subscribe, because when we upload tutorials, you will get a notification. Or if you would like us to make a short tutorial for you for a specific topic, don't hesitate to contact us. Send us an email and we'll be more than happy to help you. See you next time. Goodbye.